Um, Hello. Um, Sorry if I sound a little skittish. Been a rough 2 weeks and yesterday. Uh, won't go in detail on that. Um, I wanted to go. Um, Sorry. I like to explain my regular EDC bag to my work EDC bag. Um, and things I keep in my between my work and my regular EDC bag. Um, Few things I already have out because I switched these things around. Um, I don't carry this all the time. I got a lighter. Um, at my work, we always got candles. I think that's what they call it, candles. Those things where you put on there and it makes a fire, heats up food in those um, tinfoil pans. I always need a lighter. Um, I keep field notes. Planning on getting a new one. This one is almost full. Um, this um, I call it fanny pack, but I call it a utility pouch. It has pockets here and pocket here, but I don't use these pockets. Um, this goes on my right hip. Um, and things I usually keep in it. I keep tools in it. I bought another one of these ratchet things. Um, they're not my favorite, but they get the job done and they're easy to just stick in your pocket and go. Space pen, um, use it a lot. This gets used more than this, but this is the gripper sharp. It usually switches from my pocket to this. Um, I keep calendar because I'm always getting new shifts and I can keep track of those. Um, I didn't care what calendar I got. I just picked one up. Um, well, I should say it was free. My teacher gave it to me. That's it for the first pouch. I hate going to the second pouch because the zipper is kind of broken. But I keep a Milwaukee flashlight. Um, I keep that in there. Um, these two I use a lot because um, one of the stations I work at in Notre Dame, um, it tells kind of grimy. Ugh. The drains get clogged with rice, so I have to shine those kind of in the light while I'm kind of trying to get the drain out, so I can scoop rice out, so it's unclogging the sink. Um, and then first aid kit, a little mini first aid kit. Um, yeah, um, I don't keep this stuff in my pockets because I do I do a lot of dishwashing. Sorry about that. I do a lot of dishwashing, so I get wet. Um, so I keep this stuff in a utility pouch on my hip, on my right hip. Um, but most of the stuff goes over to my regular EDC bag. Um, this doesn't. Because I'm planning to get another one for my EDC bag. This is a pain in the butt to get out of here sometimes. Won't get it in there sometimes. No, what was I saying? It must be in here. Right. I don't know what brand this is. Oh, Weefert. They're off Wish. I don't know if I can show that on camera. How good my camera is. This leather bag, you guys seen it before. It's the label. It's a cone. The label right here. Oh, it's Donlum. East Donlum. I just not in here either. I keep a journal in here. Pen. I got 3 other pens in here. So, journal, pen, um, cap, the back doesn't stay on, but it still writes. So, and then, if I feel like drawing on whenever I will draw sometimes, or write down something. This is not in there right now, but I keep a bottle opener. Craftsman bottle opener. One pen is multifunction. Don't care for it, but and a window breaker. Don't know how good it is. Take this one off. It's got flathead bottle opener. Wrench. I think that's it. I haven't used it so long. No, it's a pen too. The pen I don't use because it sucks. Flashlight don't use, so I took the battery out. They call this my fancy pen. If I'm gonna sign something, I usually sign it with this. Granola bars. And another thing I would keep in this bag is my iPad and my laptop. But usually, I don't know why it's not here. Why it's not in here. It's a new medical journal. I don't know where it is. It's gonna frustrate me. Oh, this goes like this. Oops. Stuff that go in right snow. Nice. Let me go in the pouch. This and this is kind of tricky because you gotta fight with it. Shove it down. And this is also tricky because it's bulky in here. You gotta fight with it. You gotta put them in at the same time. Zip it up. What I mean is broken. Don't buy this from Wish. The zipper flap This one's on the main one. This back one, it just fell off. This doesn't usually zip all the way, but that's those two. I made two agency bags. I'm looking to upgrade my iPad since it's outdated. It's iPad Mini 2. Need a phone. Don't really have a phone. Is it raining for? Oh God, it's raining. That's about it. Thank you, and I'll try to make more videos.